Hi there and welcome to this quick video where I'm going to show you how you can work with Alex, our ExO bot, to leverage ExO more. So from the dashboard, you can click chat with the ExO book and you can then tap to start chatting with Alex, and you can see a few ways that you can do that by scrolling down on the page, but you can just tap to start and then you can ask Alex pretty much any question you like. We have a few questions there that you can ask yourself, and before we get into that, you can also find Alex by clicking on chat with the ExO bot when you are on the book. You can also go to openexo.com/chat. And so let's just click on what is an ExO, and you'll see there that Alex comes back with a response based on Exponential Orgnaizations 2.0, and there's so many questions you can ask. I asked a bunch of questions, but this is quite an interesting one. If you type in your massive transformative purpose that you have created within a bracket, you can then ask Alex whether Alex thinks that it's a good MTP. And this is a great way of checking, right? Make sure you got a colon there. A good way of checking, and of course you should ask other people too, but this is one way that you can leverage Alex in order to understand how you can leverage ExO, because Alex knows the entire book. So how are you going to use this?